Hi, so I start teaching at a local university this week, and it has been really fun prepping the general nutrition course. I started teaching 20 years ago, and when it comes to teaching nutrition, there's definitely the ABCs of nutrition that you need to teach. But as a culture, I started teaching in 2005. The culture has shifted in 2005 between trends and government institutions and what's happening in the world. Even social media is different. And so nutrition is a science, yet it is an art, and it is based upon cultural norms. And even in my microculture, the society has shifted from having access to sit-down restaurants to now having access food being delivered to your door, which wasn't the case 20 years ago. Family systems have changed, communities have changed, and it's really fun seeing how our food choices and our food culture can shape us and our health. And if you have any interest in any of these topics, reach out to your local community or university and see if you could take a nutrition course and dive right in. Hope this helps.